Okay, I want to talk about a subject here that there's some mixed thoughts on. But anyway, this is on keeping meat turkeys as pets. And generally speaking, it's not a good idea. They're not bred for that. By 6 months or so, they even have a hard time walking because they're so heavy. They're too heavy for their legs. I Last year I let a couple of them go to 6.5 months, and there was a tom that was 65 pounds and a hen that was over 50, and so generally not a good idea. Now, so the males are always always no on that for me. Now for females, there's two different types. There's the small and the large. This is a small here. She'll still get at least 25 pounds, but she's going to be small enough to where she doesn't outgrow her legs, and she's small enough to breed. Um, so that's my hope. He really likes her, so that's my hope, is to kind of get a line going between these two of some meaty turkeys that can breed on their own. That should be good. So anyway, um, this one here, like I said, she's a small, and for me, that's the only type of meat turkey that's feasible for keeping as a pet, is a small hen. Now, there's basically three different personality types. They're bred for uniformity, so there's not a lot of diversity, but there are basically three different personality types with these hens. There's mean, there's nice, and there's vacant, like lights on, nobody home. So last year I had one of these, and she was pretty, but had no personality, so we didn't keep her. The larger ones tend to be mean because they have a lot of testosterone. They tend to be bearded, and that's why they get so big. The smaller ones, though, if you can get one that's somewhat present, like her, she's very nice, and she's apparently hungry. She doesn't usually bite fingers. She just kind of grooms at you. But anyway, um, like that. Anyway, though, she's very nice. So when we kind of discovered that she was a keeper, we started grooming her for that. We started petting her, talking to her. We named her, etc. And she's turned out good. She's definitely got all the right qualities to keep as a pet. So um, Bear approves. Bear really likes her, huh, Bear? So anyway, that's my thoughts on that. If you're gonna keep a meat turkey as a pet, it should be a smaller hen with a good personality. And like I said, you have to get started young and kind of groom them for that, and they can work out all right. Like Kenny here.